Are you a small YouTube channel and you're just finding it really hard to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some other ways where you can actually earn money that's potentially more than you would earn through the YouTube partnership program. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money without having to reach any requirements. So if you want to learn how to make money even as a small YouTuber, then this is the video for you. Let's get into the video. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're brand new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, or start working for yourself, then consider subscribing and learning how you can turn your passion, your dream, into a career. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel. So the very first way to start making money, and all of these do increase as you grow on YouTube. So even if it may not start out as much, as you grow, your revenues are going to grow through these streams as well. So that's why it's really awesome to watch them grow as you grow. And some of these streams of income can actually potentially be more than the YouTube partnership program, because they're going to keep growing as you grow. The very first one is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, this is basically when you review or represent a particular product and you actually link that product in your description. Now, you don't always have to do a whole video review on that product, but as long as you are mentioning the product in your video so that people are aware that it's in your description, they go ahead and click on that link and purchase that product. You receive a fee from bringing them to that website and purchasing the product. So that's how you can make money simply through affiliate marketing. Now, the biggest affiliate marketing that you're probably aware of is Amazon affiliates. Now, Amazon is truly amazing because Amazon potentially has almost anything you could think of, and therefore you can do links for any type of product that you like through your YouTube video. So Amazon affiliates is definitely big, but what a lot of people don't realize is there's actually a lot of other websites that do these affiliate links or referrals as well. Things like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, eBay. There's so many different websites that you can do that actually all have referrals or affiliate links, even just simple websites that you might use. Potentially any business does have some kind of affiliate or referral program because they want you as the creator to basically refer their products to your audience, and that gives them a potential of getting more sales. So any business can potentially do affiliate marketing, and there's just a lot of companies that allow you to be able to actually apply for affiliate marketing. But if there's a really favorite brand or business that you like, you can go ahead and contact them directly, see if they have any affiliate programs or would be interested in doing some affiliate programs, because it not only is going to benefit them because you'll be getting them sales, it'll benefit you as well because you'll get a cut of those sales. So Amazon affiliates is probably the main one that I use, but don't forget there are so many other affiliate links that you can actually use, and you wanna make sure that you're using as many affiliates as you can. You don't need to do just Amazon or just eBay. You can definitely go ahead and do other ones, like TubeBuddy is something I'll be looking into in the future. Just different products that you tend to use would be a great place to start, where you can start doing referrals on and showing your audience why you love that product and what they're going to gain from using it too. So affiliate marketing is really going to grow as you grow, because as you get a larger audience, there's going to be more eyes on your videos, and more likely people are going to click on those affiliate links, and you'll start to make more and more revenue. The second income stream is through digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is where you sell a product that you create online. Different websites are starting to do digital marketing. Teespring has actually just released digital marketing on their website, and there are a few other websites that you can use for digital products as well. You can even create your own website and do digital products through that as well. But digital products is just as easy doing it through an external website. So I would highly recommend doing some research into different websites that allow you to do digital marketing. Now, if you don't know what digital marketing is, it's basically things that you set up. So it could be an ebook, could be courses, could be a membership of some sort, could even be presets of your thumbnails or presets of your video editing. All of these things that people will be willing to see how you do what you do, and they're willing to pay for these settings. So presets, courses, Any of these can be digital products that you create as one time, and you can sell it potentially as many times as people are interested. And this is the great thing about digital products. You don't have to make it once, and you can sell it potentially for years and years to come. So digital products is something definitely worth looking in. Have a look at what might make sense for your audience, your YouTube channel, and for your business, and see what kind of digital products that you can make. Now, obviously you do have to create these digital products before you can start selling them, but I would highly recommend starting on some easy ones like presets that you use for your thumbnails, maybe some courses, some kind of ebook or blueprint of showing people how you've created what you've created and things like that. People will be willing to pay to get your advice on things and to learn some secrets that you've learned through your career. The third stream of income is physical products or drop shipping. You can see here I'm ripping my merch right now, so you can create different merch through either Teespring. I believe you can do it through Amazon. There's all these different businesses / websites that allow you to create your physical products, but you don't have to create it yourself. All you have to do is come up with a design, and they'll do the printing for you. They'll send it out to you. They'll take all of that hassle out of it for you. And this is the great thing about drop shipping. You can even do it through Amazon. Amazon has its own drop shipping program. You can buy things cheap from AliExpress and then sell them through Amazon Associates, I believe it's called. But Amazon definitely is one way to look at doing drop shipping, but Teespring is another great way. That's who I use to create my merch from. It seems to be reasonably popular for YouTubers, and it's a great way you can actually link your merch on your YouTube channel, so it's going to show up when people watch your videos, which is a really cool feature that they've brought out for people with, I believe you have to have 10,000 subscribers to have that feature. But that being said, you can definitely do drop shipping to create physical products that you can sell. They can be hats, shirts, sweatshirts, pants, leggings, socks, phone cases, anything that you can possibly think of. Teespring or Amazon will have that for you, and you'll be able to create your own designs, your own products that you can sell, and take all of the hassle out because they'll do the shipping for you. They keep all of the stock, they do all of that for you, and it just makes it so much easier, especially when you're just starting out and you may not have those kind of resources available. So physical products is another great way to be able to sell products with taking the hassle out of it and still being able to sell the products and still getting a decent revenue from it with very little effort that you had to do. The fourth stream of income that you can do, especially when you're just starting out, is consulting or coaching. Now, this may seem like something that you don't really think that you can do, especially if you're just starting out or maybe you're quite young, but consulting or coaching is definitely something that you can use to your advantage if you have these skills that you can share. It can be as simple as helping businesses creating a YouTube channel and keeping things running smoothly, how to set it up properly, or the ins and outs of having a YouTube channel and the kind of background work that goes behind keeping it up to date and making sure it runs smoothly. You'll be able to share your YouTube knowledge with different businesses, share what you've learned over the years of how they can create a YouTube channel and make sure that it runs smoothly. So any knowledge that you might have, maybe you've done photography as a background, filmography, whatever it might be, you're able to help these businesses to create videos, do photography for them, do videos for them, whatever it might be, and you'll get paid to help these businesses with these small tasks. Definitely a great way to start making some money, just the skills that you have and the knowledge that you have. You can potentially go out there and do this with anybody, any small business, or even just a friend or family member who needs some help with something like that. You'll be able to help them and charge a small fee. So coaching or consulting is definitely a great way to start making some money by using the knowledge that you have to help others to start a YouTube channel or to start a business, whatever it might be. You can share your knowledge and get paid for it. And the fifth and final income stream is sponsorships. Now, sponsorships is definitely another great way to be getting some income streams, and you don't even need a lot of subscribers. A lot of people think you need millions of subscribers and millions of views for a business to be interested in you, when actually that is not the case. I have seen so many examples of people with less than 10,000 subscribers able to get these sponsorships because they have the right audience and the right idea for that business. So if you have the right audience and you have a great idea that you want to share with a product that you love or a business that you feel will fit in with your YouTube channel, don't worry so much about how many subscribers you have. Go ahead and email them, hit them up, and let them know the idea that you have and how you can benefit their business and bring an audience to their products or to their business that's going to help them, and therefore that's going to encourage them to do a sponsorship with you. So sponsorships can come in all sorts of deals. They can be something where it's a year-long deal where you do regular videos for that business. It can be a one-off sponsorship where you do a product review or something like that. It can even just be something like affiliate marketing where they're just giving you a free product and you do a review on it, and then therefore they get sales from that. I wouldn't really say that's sponsorship, but it's still something that you can look into with different businesses. But when it really comes down to sponsorship, you really need to think about what you have to offer to that business. if you're going to go ahead and try to get sponsorships, and yes, you do need to communicate with different businesses to get a sponsorship, they're not very likely going to come to you, or very rarely it's going to happen. So you need to be proactive and go ahead and hit up different businesses and let them know what kind of idea you have, how they're going to benefit from this idea, and why they should sponsor your YouTube channel. And this is a great way that you can set up different contracts. You can do year-long contracts where you can actually bring in 5-digit sponsorship deals that are going to really help your channel to grow and to use that revenue to help you build back into the business and keep growing on YouTube. So sponsorships is really, really awesome and can be done even as a small YouTube channel. Think about what businesses that would work well with your YouTube channel, would fit well with your audience, and the benefits that they're going to gain from sponsoring your videos. So that was showing you how you can make money even as a small YouTube channel. That was 5 tips, 5 income streams that are going to grow with your YouTube channel. And as you grow, you're going to get more eyes on those products, on those different income streams, and they're going to grow with your YouTube channel. So you can really see why it's so important to have different income streams. You don't want to rely just on YouTube ads, because you'll be missing out on so much other revenue that would grow as your YouTube channel grows. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos. Go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.